हे एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम करेंगे क्लास 5 की मैथ्स का चैप्टर ज्योमेट्री बेसिक्स। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर लर्निंग अबाउट ज्योमेट्री। ज्योमेट्री में कौन कौन सी शेप्स आते हैं, क्या क्या एंगल्स होते हैं, what other angles are there, and what are the uses of protractor and D, what you call D. Yes, okay, so let's get started. So first of all, what we are going to learn about geometry, right? Geometry. So in geometry, what we have some straight lines, some curved lines, some open shapes. And what are open shapes? I'm going to tell you. And some closed shapes. And what are closed shapes? I'm going to tell you all these things. Okay, so these are the straight lines. Okay, curved lines like this, these are curves, these are curves. Okay, now if we talk about open shapes, what are open shapes? That are opened up, open from here, open from here, then this is known as open shape. And this shape is also an open shape. Okay, now if I talk about closed shape, then triangle is a closed shape, rectangle is a closed shape, square is a closed shape. So this is a difference between open shape and closed shape. Hello Bishay, hello Yashvi, welcome to my channel. Okay, so today we are learning about geometry. So now what we are going to do, I'm going to tell you about basics of geometry. Okay, first of all, some some statements are there, some points are there, so you have to listen to them very carefully. What is point? What is point? It is the basic unit of geometry. It is the basic unit of geometry. How? Because it tells about exact location. It tells about exact location, right? If I say this is a line and I have a point here, so I have to measure this line. So this tells about the exact location that I have to start my how I measure the line from this side to this side. So from this point to this point I am measuring my line. So this is confined as that in between these two dots I have to find out the measurement. Okay, so this is a point. Next we have line. What is line? A line is a collection of points. Now this is line. Okay, and a line has collection of points, means it has so many points in between a line. Okay, and it goes endlessly in both directions. In left hand side and right hand side it goes endlessly. It has no end. It can go beyond. Okay, so it has no end. It can go endlessly. It has so many points. So this is a line. Now talk about what is a line segment and what is the difference between a line and a line segment. Okay, a line segment is a part of a line. Line segment is a part of a line and it has two end points like this. Okay, so it has two end points. Okay, if I say this is A and this is B, so this is a line segment. Okay, now what is ray? What is ray? Ray is also a part of line, but it has only one end. It has only one end point and it can go endlessly in one direction only. Yes, but a line can go endlessly in both directions, in left or right, both. But a ray can go only in one direction endlessly, okay, and it starts from a point, okay. So let's say we have P and Q, so it can move only one side endlessly, okay. Now let's learn about parts of an angle, okay. Okay, now let's start parts of an angle. Now what is an angle? If I say I'm making these two lines, so what it is? If I'm making these two lines, what it is? If I'm making these two lines, what it is? If I'm making these two lines, what it is? If I'm making these two lines, what it is? So look, always two lines are meeting at a point. Meeting at a point, yes. So they make an angle here. They always make an angle here because they are meeting at a point and they are making an angle here, okay. And this angle is known as, this is known as its vertex. This is known as vertex, where two lines meet each other, and this angle is known as vertex angle, okay. So you have to remember this thing, okay. Now if you have, if I say this is the line, so if I say this is A, this is B, and this is C, so this is a vertex and this angle is known as vertex angle. So you have to remember one thing, that middle alphabet always have vertex angle, just like we write A, B, C, and at B we have angle. So at middle alphabet we have angle, that is vertex angle. So you have to remember this thing, okay. Now if I say you have to make some right angles, then how to make some right angles? So you have to look here very carefully how to make some right angles. Two lines that are meeting, this is a right angle, yes. Then if I say this is also a right angle, yes. If I say this is also a right angle, yes. Then let's move ahead. If I say this one, so this is also a right angle. So many right angles are there, you can go through this, okay. So right angle should be like this, this or this, okay. Okay, let's talk about some angles, that is acute angles, then obtuse angles, then straight angles. First of all, we are going to learn about these angles, okay. Hello Madhvi, yes Bishai, you want the definition of ray, okay. So you know what is ray? So you understand this thing, what is ray? What is ray? A ray is a part of a line. It is a part of a line, but it has no end point. It has no end point, okay. And it goes endlessly in one direction only, okay. And it goes endlessly in one direction only, okay. So you have to remember this thing, okay. I think you got this. Okay, so let's move ahead. We are doing acute angles, obtuse angles and straight angles. Okay, now if I say what are acute angles, we learn about right angles. Yes. Now if I say which is an acute angle, so acute angle is always less than 90 degree. It is always less than 90 degree, always. So if angle is less than 90 degree, then it is acute angle. And if it is more than 90 degree, if it is more than 90 degree, then it is always an obtuse angle. But what are straight angles? You sometimes see like this type of thing. A ray is perpendicular to the another ray. So this is a straight angle where both sides an angle is formed. So this is a straight angle. So you have to remember these three angles. Okay, Bishayi, you want me to speak in Hindi? Okay, I speak in English and Hindi both. Okay, don't worry. Because मैं चाहती हूँ कि आपको सब समझ में आए. That's why I use English. Because most of the students are here for English only. But if you want me to explain this in Hindi, then I'm okay with that. So acute angle कौन सा होता है? If it is less than 90 degree. हमने अभी पढ़ा है कि ये 90 डिग्री एंगल होता है, राइट? सो अगर ये लेस देन 90 डिग्री है तो क्या होगा? ये एक्यूट एंगल होगा. अगर मोर देन 90 डिग्री है, अगर मैंने आपसे कहा कि आप 100 डिग्री का एक एंगल बनाइए, देन दिस इज एन ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल. ठीक है, आपकी अभी कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस ऐसी आएंगी उसमें आपसे पूछा जाएगा, एंगल्स दे दिए जाएंगे और आपसे पूछा जाएगा कि आपको इसमें बताना है कौन सा एक्यूट एंगल है, कौन सा ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल है और कौन सा स्ट्रेट एंगल है. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि एक्यूट एंगल कौन सा होता है, ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल कौन सा होता है और स्ट्रेट एंगल कौन सा होता है. ओके, so you should know what is an acute angle, what is an obtuse angle and what is straight angle. So please look here very carefully. I'm going to show you how to differentiate between these three angles. Now if I say let's take another slide and you have to identify the angle. Okay, you have a D in your ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स. आपके ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स में D होगा, राइट? उसको हम प्रोटेक्टर भी बोलते हैं, प्रोटेक्टर. ओके, तो उस D को आपको यूज करना है, अगर आपके पास है तो उस D के अकॉर्डिंग आपको क्या करना है, जल्दी से एक लाइन लगाई, एक लाइन खींचिए. ठीक है, और उसके बाद क्या करना है, आपको D के अकॉर्डिंग मुझे बताना है कि ये कौन सा एंगल है, ये ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल है या एक्यूट एंगल है. ओके, आपको मुझे बताना है which angle it is. It is an obtuse angle or an acute angle. Now which angle? This one, because my ray is not, it's not straight, it's a straight one. Yes, like this. मैं एंगल्स बना रही हूँ. प्लीज टेल मी which one is a straight angle, which one is obtuse angle and which one is an acute angle. Acute, obtuse, straight, right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. Right angle means 90 degree angle. So you have to tell me which is a right angle, which is an obtuse angle, which is an acute angle and straight angle. So look at the pictures very carefully and give me answers. And I am giving you some A picture, B, C. Okay, and you have to write answer like this. A is obtuse, like this. You have to tell me like this only. Okay, give me answers fast. Then we have this thing, then we have this thing. Okay, let's move ahead. Okay, S T U W X Y. Okay, and this one. Okay, C, D, E, F. Okay, so now you have to tell me the angles. जल्दी से बताइए अगर आप बता सकते हैं तो. Come on, tell me fast. विषयी, यशवी, माधवी. Tell me fast. So आपको प्रोटेक्टर कैसे रखना है कि आपका जो मिडिल सेंटर पॉइंट है वो यहाँ होना चाहिए, और उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, इसको चेक करना है that it is more than 90 degree or less than 90 degree. So what we learn about acute and obtuse angles, that more than 90 degree is obtuse angle. So this angle is more than 90 degree. So this is an obtuse angle. This is right angle triangle, right angle. Then if we talk about this one, so we have to put our D on this ray, and then we have to measure this thing. Yes, then we have to measure this thing. So now tell me which angle it is. It is an obtuse angle or an acute angle? Tell me. It is obtuse angle or an acute angle? This one is an acute angle. And if I ask about this one is obtuse angle, because हम इस रे पर क्या रखेंगे, अपना D रखेंगे, और जब हम इस रे पर D रखेंगे तो ये वाला हमारा हो जाएगा acute angle, and this one is straight angle. You have to remember two things, because हमारा जो प्रोटेक्टर होता है D होता है, उसमें टू नंबरिंग दी होती है, राइट. एक यहाँ पर होती है और एक यहाँ पर होती है. तो हमें कौन से नंबरिंग से क्या करना है, अपना आंसर निकालना है, वो मैं आपको अभी बताती हूँ. ओके विषय, नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस पढ़ेंगे. नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, आई एम टेकिंग वन चैप्टर एट अ टाइम. ओके, आई एम टेकिंग वन चैप्टर एट अ टाइम. So in the next class, definitely we will learn about profit and loss. Okay, there is a video on profit and loss on my channel. I have already uploaded that. You can check there. Okay, thank you. Yes. So very good Vishay. It's an obtuse angle. Very good. Yes, that's how you have to learn that which angle is an obtuse angle, which angle is an acute angle, which one is a straight one, which is right angle. So you have to be very careful while you are measuring these things with a protractor or a D. Okay, we can call it a protractor or D. Now let's move ahead. Now if I say this is an angle, okay, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Now in your D you have two scales here. For upper scale is starting from 0, 10, 20 like this, and inner scale is starting here from 180, right? So from inner scale you have to measure this and then tell me the angle. Okay, from inner scale you have to measure this angle and tell me the answer. And now this one also, by using your inner scale of protractor, tell me the answer, which angle it is. Now tell me this one, Vishay. This is A and this is B. Now tell me which one is acute, obtuse, straight, or right angle. Tell me this one. Very good, you are giving me correct answers. Next we have this angle. Okay, and now you have to tell me which angle is this? Which angle is this? I'm waiting for your answers. Please respond. Yes. Yes, you are doing good, Vishay. Let's move ahead and tell me answer. We have next this thing, this angle, X, Y, Z. You have to use your inner scale and then tell me which angle it is. Which angle these are, A, B, C, D. You have to remember one thing, acute angles are less than 90 degree, obtuse angles are more than 90 degree, and I tell you about straight angles. Okay, and also these angles should be measured through inner scale of your protector, and then tell me answer. So look, this is around 70 or 80 angle, yes. So this is less than 90, so it is an acute angle. Okay, and this angle is almost in between 110 or 120, so it is more than 90. That's why it is an obtuse angle. Now come to this one. This is around 10 or 20, in between 10 or 20, because we are measuring through inner scale of D. So this is less than 90 degrees, so it is an acute angle. And this angle is also around 50 to 60, because it's we are measuring through inner scale of our protector. So the angle is, because it is less than 90, then it is an acute angle. Okay, yes, so you have to remember this. Okay, so let's move ahead. Now you have to measure the angles through your outer scale, of your protector. Okay, through your outer scale of your protector. Now you have to measure the angles. Okay, now I'm giving you some angles. Okay, so we have A, B, C and D. Now you have to tell me the answer. Okay, let's move ahead. Okay, so let's say this is A, B, C. This is P, Q, R. This is S, T, U. And this is M, N, O. And now you have to use your outer scale of your protector, your D, and then give me answer. Okay, so this angle is around 40 to 50 degree if you see your outer scale of your protector. So this is less than 90 degree, so it is an acute angle. Okay, and this one is around 170 or 160. So this one is more than 90 degree, so this is an obtuse angle. And if I say about this angle, this is around 10 or 20, in between 10 or 20. So this is less than 90 degrees, so it is an acute angle. But if I say about this one, this is around 150 to 170, so this is more than 90 degrees, so this is an obtuse angle. Okay, so that's how you have to find out the different angles, that is obtuse angle, acute angle, straight angle, right angle. So that's how you can check. Thank you KKR or XT, that I have very less knowledge of maths, that's why I'm teaching class 5. Thank you so much. I'm not asking about something, I'm not asking something about myself from you. Okay, thank you. Yes, my dear. Which one you are talking about? We did one from outer scale and inner scale. We did 2 times from outer scale and inner scale. In both the scales, first one is acute angle, my dear. In both the scales, first one is acute angle. This is from inner scale and this one is from outer scale of your protector. We did from 2 types of angles. Okay. No, my dear, A is not an obtuse angle because it is less than 90 degree. We learn about this. If your angle is less than 90 degree, then it is an acute angle. But if it is more than 90 degree, then it is an obtuse angle. Okay, so you have to learn this thing. Okay, you have to learn this thing. I hope this chapter will help you a lot. C is an acute angle. Yes, you are correct. C is an where is C? Yes, C is an acute angle in both the cases. Yes. Tell me. I'm here because I've done. I'm just here to receive your answers. Yes. I think you understand this concept very clearly. What is an acute angle? What is an obtuse angle? What is a straight line? What is straight angle? What is a line segment? What is a ray? So I teach you about all these basic geometry things, right? So these are the geometry basics which we have learned today. Okay, and in the next class, since you want profit and loss, so we will take this one up and we'll start profit and loss. Okay, in next class definitely we will do that. Okay. Okay, it's time to leave. Okay, is there any query? May I leave? If yes, if you have any query or I left the class, so you can text me. Just comment in the video. Okay, and please like, share and subscribe if you are there and if you like the video. Okay, so we'll meet in the next class. Okay, D is obtuse angle. Yes, well done. So now I'm going. Okay, we'll meet again. Bye bye.